Ever wondered why some people walk into a room and instantly grab attention without even trying? It's not magic, it's psychology. Today on Did You Know, we're breaking down 10 science-backed tricks that make someone instantly attracted to you. Simple changes, powerful results. Let's begin. 1. The micro-smile effect. Humans detect micro-expressions in milliseconds. A tiny smile, not forced, not exaggerated, signals warmth, safety, and confidence. It activates the reward centers in the brain. A micro-smile is more attractive than a big grin. 2. Use the triangle gaze. Psychologists found that switching your gaze between someone's left eye, right eye, and lips subtly increases intimacy. It tells the brain, this person is special. But keep it natural. Subtlety is the magic. 3. Mirror their energy, not their actions. People feel attracted to those who match their emotional frequency. If they're calm, soften your energy. If they're excited, elevate yours. It builds instant rapport. 4. Speak slowly. It signals confidence. Rushed speech triggers anxiety in the listener. Slow, calm speech activates trust circuits. Science shows people find slower speakers more confident and more attractive. 5. The pause before you reply trick. Take a 1-second pause before responding. It signals emotional maturity, patience, and control. Humans instinctively trust those who think before they speak. 6. Keep them talking about themselves. Brain scans reveal that talking about yourself activates the same pleasure centers as food and money. People subconsciously like those who make them feel good. Ask questions that create depth, not surface-level chatter. 7. Use their name in conversation. Hearing your own name activates the brain's identity network. It instantly increases connection and attention. But don't overuse it. Subtle and spaced out is the key. 8. The walking together hack. Walking beside someone creates a feeling of partnership. It subtly removes the face-off tension and promotes comfort. Humans bond faster when moving in the same direction, literally. 9. Mystery beats oversharing. Releasing too much information too quickly overwhelms the brain. But leaving room for curiosity triggers pursuit behavior. Share little pieces, not the entire puzzle. 10. Show genuine interest, not approval. There's a big difference between interest and validation. People are attracted to those who are curious about them, but don't try to impress or agree with everything. Confidence, approval seeking. Attraction isn't luck, it's psychology. Once you understand how humans connect, you become naturally magnetic. Try these tricks with confidence and authenticity, and you'll feel the shift instantly. If you enjoyed today's video, hit like, subscribe to Did You Know, and share this with someone who loves psychology. See you in the next one.